March 28, 2025, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar, the epicenter near Mandalay. The tremors caused panic and structural damage across several cities, including Sagaing, Naypyidaw, and Shwibo. The Ava Bridge in Sagaing collapsed, and buildings were damaged. The quake was felt in neighboring countries, including Thailand, where buildings swayed in Bangkok, leading to evacuations. In China's Yunnan province, houses were damaged and injuries were reported. Tremors also reached India and Vietnam, prompting evacuations in major cities. Emergency services in Myanmar are assessing the damage, but no immediate casualties have been reported. Authorities continue to monitor the situation.